Now, having said that, I still feel that you should see the effect of diet. But diet, becoming vegetarian is not enough. How much you eat is also important. If you eat heavy meals, they also do not allow you to meditate properly. So not only I am suggesting vegetarian food, I am suggesting light food. Make it as light as possible. You know, in this country, over the last 20 years, obesity has grown every year, especially juvenile obesity in children. Just because the food they are eating is either not the best healthy food or they are overeating, and people think overeating is good. There's a very good reason why people overeat. And that is, in the body, normally the nervous system sends information to the brain very quickly. So far as hunger and digestive system is concerned, those messages don't go through the normal nervous system. They go through the bacteria in the gut. More and more discoveries being made about the importance of the bacteria. Do you know there are trillions of bacteria sitting inside each of us? The average weight of bacteria in our body is about 3 pounds on an average adult. It's supposed to be the largest organ of the body, heavier than the liver, the stomach, and the heart combined. It's heavier than that. It's so important. Those bacteria are good and bad bacteria both sitting together. The bad bacteria like junk food. They like food that is not the best for us. The good bacteria like good food. And therefore, the messages are going from there. And they have a tendency to delay the message when we are full. All other messages from the nervous system go instantly to the brain. When you are full and no longer hungry, this message takes 20 minutes to go to the brain. It's amazing how the difference has been kept. All overeating is done in those 20 minutes. Because you discover 20 minutes later, after you're full, that you are full. The message is delayed. I went to Japan and found they have a different way of eating. They divide their food into portions. When it comes to the last portions, they allow 20 minutes gaps. So by that time they know they are full, they won't overeat. So that's a very good system. Here also, if you feel you are still hungry, allow 20 minutes to pass, you'll be hungry. You'll be full. No, not hungry anymore. So that is why we overeat. If you eat, let me give you a challenge. Cut down what you're eating by 25%, you'll be more healthy. Simple. It's such a straightforward statement. If you cut down half what you're eating, you'll still be healthy. We overeat so much. The body does not need that much. People laden with proteins are worrying about protein. You can't imagine how much we are overdoing protein over here. Just somewhere the idea has gone. Where do I get my protein from? Protein is the building block which raises children, makes them adults, and makes them big. Maintenance of the body does not require that protein. And we are eating more protein as grown-ups than we feed even the children. So that is why we are not having a balanced diet. And look at the diet we are having. Overeating also interferes in meditation the way meat eating does. Therefore, it's not merely being vegetarian, it's also eat light meals.